Hello, first and second graders. Good morning, and hope that you're having a wonderful morning so far. Thank you for all the hard work that you've been doing, and this is just me checking in with a little bit of math that I wanted to go over with you. I am posting another video which will be on your Google Classroom that goes over telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. And so I had a little word problem that I wanted to go over with you because I know in first and second grade it's been a really big deal to look at word problems and understand what a question is actually asking. So let's go ahead and look at this word problem. I'm going to hold up my whiteboard, so as soon as I put my whiteboard up, you'll go ahead and pause your screen, and then you can get a pencil and write this problem down, and then you can unpause it so that we can do it together. Here you go, first and second graders. Go ahead and write that down right now. Okay, pause. There you go. So I will go ahead, now that it's unpaused, hello again, first and second graders, and I will read it with you, okay? So it says, John started a walk at 2:05 p.m. He ended his walk at 2:35. How many minutes did he walk? Well, just like we do in class, let's go ahead and you're really, really good at this, first and second graders. Let's underline our key details in our word problem. So here it says that John started a walk at 2:05 p.m. That's a key detail. So I'm going to go ahead and underline that he started the walk at 2:05 p.m. so that I know where he started. Then he ended his walk at 2:35. So I will go ahead and undo that. And then just like we do in class, it's very important that we circle our question so that we know what's being asked of us and how we can solve this problem. So let's circle our question just like we do every day in class. There you go. So your board or your paper should look like that. Okay. And I am going to just erase my board so that I can solve this problem with you. Okay. So the question is asking, how long was his walk? So, first and second graders, if you were in front of me right now, I'd say, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the what? Yes, the difference in time from 2:05 to 2:35. So how do we find the difference in something? Well, to find the difference, we definitely don't add more things to it. We have to subtract, like we always do, to find that difference. So my two times that I had were 2:05, which is when the walk started, and 2:35, which is when it ended. So there are those two numbers. But because I'm trying to find the difference, it's important for me to put my larger number at the top for subtraction. So let's go ahead and solve it on this side. So we have 2:35, and we will subtract 2:05 to find the difference in time. So we can see how many minutes he actually went on a walk. 2:05. Okay. Now, first and second graders, just to keep our problem clean, we always draw our lines for our columns just to keep it nice and neat, okay? So 5 minus 5 is 0, and we have our 3 minus 0 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So actually, our only amount of minutes are just here. So how many minutes was that walk for? Let's go ahead and make a nice clear box. You could do that on your paper. I always like to put a box so my answer's clear for my teacher to understand and just so that I don't get confused when I have a bunch of numbers. So it was 30 minutes on that walk. And there you go, first and second graders. There's your 30-minute walk that we figured out together by finding the difference. Thank you so much, first and second graders. So this should be a help for when you're looking at the video that I'm sending about time and just getting more familiar with using the clock, even when looking at and telling the time, as well as understanding word problems. Thank you so much, first and second grade, and have a wonderful day. I look forward to our next video. Feel free to comment with any questions about this problem that you had. or if you totally got it. Okay, bye. Take care.